Welcome to the world of compact, powerful photography. Today, we're diving deep into one of Sony's iconic mirrorless cameras, the Sony NEX-C3. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear, this camera might be the perfect tool to bring your vision to life. At first glance, the NEX-C3 may look small, but don't be fooled. Behind this portable design lies a powerhouse that packs some serious features. This little beauty is equipped with a 16.2 megapixel Exmor APS-C HD CMOS sensor, delivering stunning image quality that rivals much bulkier DSLRs. Let's talk about why this is a game changer for photographers who are always on the move. With such a high-quality sensor, the NEX-C3 allows you to capture detailed, high-resolution images, making your photos look crisp and professional. Whether you're snapping breathtaking landscapes, capturing candid moments, or doing portraits, this camera performs brilliantly. And let's not forget about the NEX-C3's interchangeable lenses. With Sony's E-mount system, you can switch between a variety of lenses, from wide-angle to telephoto, giving you the creative freedom to shoot in any situation. The flexibility of switching lenses makes the NEX-C3 a versatile choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, let's talk about handling. The NEX-C3 is all about simplicity without sacrificing functionality. The intuitive controls, paired with its lightweight design, make it a joy to use. Plus, with the 3-inch tilting LCD screen, you can easily compose shots from tricky angles, perfect for those spontaneous street photography sessions or unique perspectives. Whether you're vlogging, shooting stills, or just capturing memories, the NEX-C3 offers versatility, mobility, and style. One of the most appealing features of this camera is its portability. You no longer need to carry around a heavy DSLR to get professional quality shots. The NEX-C3 is small enough to fit into your everyday bag, making it the perfect travel companion. And yes, it's not just a stills powerhouse, it also shoots 720p HD video, letting you capture moments in motion with clarity and precision. While the video capabilities may not be 4K, they're still impressive for a camera of this size and era, offering smooth footage that's perfect for casual videography or even more professional projects. And if you're into creative photography, the camera's various shooting modes and artistic filters will let you experiment with your style. From HDR settings to creative filters, there's plenty of room to play. Overall, the Sony NEX-C3 brings together the best of both worlds, professional-grade image quality and a compact, easy-to-carry design. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and camera reviews.